Hello students, this is Suresh, Maths paper 1. In the last video, we have discussed exercise 1.5 up to 4th question. Now we have to discuss now 5th question. The 5th question is, if x square plus y square equals to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. We have to prove what? This one, this equation. This equation we have to prove. What? 2 log x plus y equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. By using given this equation, x square plus y square equals to 25xy. Now we see solution now. See, up to this, this is the question now, given question. In that given statement, we have to write given that x square plus y square equals to 25xy. This we have to write as first step. Now we are doing next step what? See, for both side we adding 2xy. For given equation we are adding both sides, LHS and RHS, we are adding 2xy. So what happens? See, x square plus y square, see here, x square plus y square equals to 25xy there. So we are adding now here 2xy and here 2xy adding for both sides. So next step what happens? See this equation, we have an identity a plus b whole square formula. Expand of a plus b whole square. What is the expand of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. In the same way here also we can write that that's x square plus y square plus 2xy we can write as x plus y whole square by using that identity a plus b whole square formula. So here x plus y whole square came here in left side, and right side we adding 2xy for 25xy. So in the next step what will come? 27xy. So now for this step I am applying log both sides. Applying log both sides. See, by applying log for both sides, what happens? Both sides we write log x plus y whole square equals to log 27xy. Here nothing doing, just applying log for both sides. For x plus y whole square we are applying log, and 27xy also to that applying log. Now just here according to log a power m equals to what is the expand of log a power m into log a. In the same way here we using log a power m formula. So here came 2 log x plus y, that m in the place of m 2 there, so 2 comes to front, so 2 log x plus y. In the next step here also log applied is right side, log 27xy. So this is in the form of log a b formula. Log a b what? Log a plus log b. Otherwise log mn is what? Log m plus log n. In the same way we writing as log 27 plus log x plus more there log y there. So just see here log 27 plus log x plus log y by using which formula? Log mn, log m plus log n formula. So again here formulas also written here. See, log a power m equals to m into log a, and right side also here written by formula this log mn equal log m plus log. According to these two formulas we written that steps. Now here left side as it is here write 2 log x plus y. See, as it is I am writing 2 log x plus y. Here in the right side, see this step I am writing, see log 27 I am writing log 3 cube, and remaining part is same, log x plus log y. Only log 27 only we converting as a power, so log 3 power 3, 27 we writing as 3 power 3. So the step is log 3 power 3 plus log x plus log y. Next step, see after that the left side is same as it is, and next here this term is in the form of log a power m. So what is the expand of log a power m? M into log a. So by using that formula we writing as 3 log 3. That power comes to left side in front of log. So 3 log, remaining what is there? Base 3 there. So 3 log 3, remaining part same here, log x plus log y. See, once see here proof, see here what we have to prove here in this in the question. See, log 2 log x plus y, see left part came, and second right part, see log 3 plus log x plus log y. See, so here proved what is in the given question. We have to prove that we have proved here in the question. X square plus y square equals to 25xy given, that statement given. By using that equation we proved here 2 log x plus y equals 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So this is proof for fifth question. So now we do sixth question now. See sixth question. If log x plus y equals to 3, sorry, if log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, the given equation, see log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, this equation given, then the value of find, so then find the value of x by y plus y by x we have to find. What we have to find? By using this log x plus y by 3 equals 1 by 2 log x plus log y given. By using that equation we have to find x by y plus y by x equals to what? The value of x by y plus y by x value we have to find. So given first given equation we have to write as first step. So write given, what is given here? This is given log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Okay, then so only right side part only we are doing here. So next only right side part here. So 1 by 2, so this is given log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y given. So here 1 by 2, this log x plus log y I am writing as log xy. Expand form of log xy what? Log x plus log y. So that's why I am written log xy 1 by 2 into log xy. The next see here this 1 by 2 comes to here power. Why? Because log a power m equals to log m into log a. By that formula we writing log xy to the power of 1 by 2. Okay na? 1 by 2, see this term I am writing as like this, log xy to the power of 1 by 2. Here quotient of log xy what? 1 by 2. According to formula, here next step what will come? Power 1 by 2 will come. So by which formula? Log a power m equals to m into log a. So here this term here given m into log a form, we convert into log a power n. Okay na? This one convert into log a power m. So now left side I am writing as the same, log x plus y by 3 equals to, here power 1 by 2 is nothing but, here power 1 by 2 is nothing but log root xy, xy to the power of 1 by 2 there. So xy to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but root second root of xy. So second root of xy, just root xy you can write root xy. Okay na? Next see both side here log there, just by cancelling logs, LHS having log and RHS having also log there. So this left side and right side logs are cancelling, just x plus y by 3 and root xy I am writing. Just see here this log and this log I am cutting. Next only this term only writing. So see x plus y by 3 and root xy. Okay, now log cancelled and remaining part only writing x plus y by 3 equals to root xy. And next step is x plus y is as it is I am writing that denominator 3 is transposing to right side. See this 3 here transposing to right side means multiplies. Right side what happens? Multiplies to root xy. So this 3 converting to, sorry, this 3 is transposing to right side, so multiply with x root xy. Okay, then x plus y equals to 3 into root xy. The next steps what we doing, see squaring on both sides. Squaring, just we doing squaring both left and right sides, so we are squaring. So just write squares x plus y whole square and 3 into root xy whole square. The next what happens, just x plus y whole square just expand on. What is x plus y whole square expand formula? X square plus y square plus 2xy, right? X plus y whole square what? X square plus y square plus 2xy. So here 3 right side 3 root xy whole square there. So just individually we doing square here, 3 square and root xy whole square. Okay, 3 square what happens here in the next step 9xy. Just here root and see here root and square get cancelled. A root nothing but 1 by 2 and power 2 there, that 2 and 1 by 2 get cancelled. So only xy remains. So next step what will come? 9xy. 3 square is equals to 9 and xy as it is same writing xy. So total x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to 9xy. Then next step what happens, see 9xy. So now see here this 2xy plus 2xy here transpose into right side. What happens? Subtract, minus 2xy will come. So 2xy just transposing what to right side, what happens? Minus 2xy. Here plus 2xy there, so here comes minus 2xy. So next step what is x plus, here what remains? X plus y square. Why? Because already this 2xy transposed to right side, so here it comes minus 2xy. So here remains only x square plus y square and right side 9xy minus 2xy there. So next step x square plus y square, here 9xy minus 2xy what? 9 minus 2 what? 7xy. Here becomes 7xy. So now next step here 7, only 7 I am writing as is. Here xy here this xy I am transposing to left side. Only xy. What is there in right side? 7 xy there. 7 as it is keep there, and xy only transposing to left side. What happens? That xy, here comes the denominator. X square plus y square by xy. Y by xy, here multiplying with 7. So here left side coming means what happens to divide. So x square plus y square by xy will come. Here remains what? Same as it is 7. So in the next step, here xy is divides x square plus y square. In the left part, see, xy is divides xy divides numerator what? X square plus y square. So here individually I am writing divides here. So how? See, x square by xy and y square by xy. Xy divides individually now, na? So x square by xy and y square by xy. By cancelling it, here in the numerator first step, first term, numerator x square there. So that square here downside in denominator x there. So 1x get cancelled. Here also y square by xy. In numerator y square there. So 2y's there say. So 1y, and in denominator 1y get cancelled. Then right side what? 7 as is I am writing. So next, see, like this, say x square by xy plus y square by xy. Here x get cancelled, here y get. In the numerator only x there. In numerator only x, so only xy, right, and only y next term y there. So y by x equals to 7. What is the question? See, what ultimately what we get? X by y plus y by x equals to 7. What asking in the question? See, value of x by y plus y by x, value of xy by y by x, that only here proved. What came? X by y plus y by x equals to what came? Answer 7. So x by y plus y by x equals to 7. This is the value for given question, x by y plus y by x. How you find this x by y plus y by x equals 7? By using given equation. What is that? Log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. So this is question, sixth question. So now we go to seventh question. In the next class we will learn seventh question. So up to here, fifth and sixth questions you have to copy in notes. So thank you.